In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to flip a page in Canva. Now, Canva doesn't have a one-click button that flips an entire page instantly, but there is a simple workaround that lets you flip everything on your page in just a few seconds. Whether you're designing worksheets, planners, social media graphics, or printable designs, this method will save you time and make your workflow much smoother. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss an important detail. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Canva tips and step-by-step guides. Let's jump right in. First, open your design inside Canva and navigate to the page that you want to flip. This can be any type of design: a presentation slide, a document, a poster, or even a social media post. Now here's the key thing to understand. Canva cannot flip an entire page as a single object. Instead, you need to flip all the elements on that page at the same time. To do that, click anywhere on your page to make sure you're active inside the design. Then press Ctrl+A on your keyboard if you're using Windows, or Command+A if you're using a Mac. This shortcut selects everything on the current page, including text boxes, images, shapes, icons, and any other design elements you've added. Once everything is selected, look up at the top toolbar. You'll see a button labeled Flip. Go ahead and click on Flip. You'll now see two options: Flip Horizontal and Flip Vertical. If you choose Flip Horizontal, your entire layout will mirror from left to right. This is perfect if you're trying to reverse a layout or create a mirror design effect. If you choose Flip Vertical, the design will flip upside down from top to bottom. This can be useful for certain creative layouts or print designs. As soon as you click one of these options, all selected elements will flip together, giving you the effect of flipping the entire page at once. It only takes a couple of seconds once you know where to look. Now here's an extra tip. After flipping, double-check your text. Sometimes mirrored layouts can affect alignment or spacing, especially if you're working with structured designs like planners or infographics. If anything looks slightly off, you can quickly adjust spacing or positioning while everything is still selected, or click outside to deselect and tweak individual elements. And that's really all there is to it. Even though Canva doesn't provide a dedicated flip page button, using the Select All shortcut combined with the Flip tool gives you the exact same result. If this video helped you learn how to flip a page in Canva, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple, easy-to-follow Canva tutorials. I post new guides regularly to help you design faster and smarter. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.